Xlw-B is the basic model of Labthink's automatic tensile testers. Its tensile and peeling testing programs can be easily switched between and can be used to measure the mechanical strengths of flexible plastic packaging materials such as tensile resistance, tear resistance, peel strength, and heat seal strength. The instrument can perform tests at 7 different testing speeds that meet different industry standards. 4 high-precision load cells of 30 Newton, 50 Newton, 100 Newton, and 200 Newton can satisfy different testing requirements. With additional customized testing fixtures, the tester can perform a variety of special tests, such as the puncture resistance of films and the opening force of bottle caps, and many others. This instrument also adopts functions of malfunction alerting, overload protection, and over-travel protection. It provides packaging users and manufacturers with a highly cost-effective solution for testing the mechanical strength of flexible plastic packaging materials. The LED digital display and PVC operation panel integrated into the instrument allows users to even perform tests without the need of a computer. The testing software designed by Labthink has an intuitive operation interface, as well as visual display of real-time data and graphs. The software provides real-time statistical analysis and display of the maximum, minimum, and average testing results. It can perform curve superposition analysis for grouped testing samples. The testing principle complies with GB 4850, GB 7754, GB 8808, GB 13022, and other national standards. Operating the instrument is simple and convenient. Users only need to place the prepared specimen on the fixture, complete the parameter setting, and click on Test. It will then accomplish the test automatically. Xlw-B, your excellent choice for an economic tensile tester. Labthink. Think for you only.